Hello and welcome back to Cooking the Haydens, and I'm Car Boot Chris, and this is 60-second tips. And today we're talking all about armpits. What? So when you're listing clothes, you should always put as many different measurements as you can in your listing. That makes it easier for someone to decide whether your item is going to fit them or not. But today I'm focusing on the pit to pit measurement. It's the one that everyone goes on about. So it's important that you lay your garment as flat as you can. Don't stretch it. Use your tape measure and you go from one seam to the other seam, right in the armpit, and measure it across. So if in doubt, round it up, or you can put the between measurements. So if you write between 20 and 21 inches. So don't forget, try and put as many different measurements on your listings as you can. But if there's only one measurement that you have to put on, make sure it's armpit to armpit. This is simple advice, but effective.